Replacing the hinges on a laptop screen is the same procedures as replacing the display, because you have to go through the same steps and you have to remember where all these screws go. These are the screws for the inside panel. And what holds the laptop LCD in. These are the case screws that hold this panel in. That panel on the LCD. You have to take all this apart. And here's the screen. If I was replacing the screen, all I have to do is lift it out and unscrew this. But I don't need to replace the screen today, just only the hinges, and it's the same procedures as replacing the LCD almost. A little tricky to it, but almost done.